Morning, everybody. It's February 26th, down here on Lake Palestine for the All American Kayak Series, day one. Pre-fishing's been tough, only got a few hours in each day 'cause it's just been brutally cold and wet. Today's looking like more of the same. Gonna be fishing docks today a lot, which I'm not good at, but pretty much all the fish seem to be suspended down in 7 to 10 feet of water, so my normal shallow fishing has not been working well. So got about 2.5 minutes here until line's end, so we're gonna get started, see what we can do. The rain's supposed to move in later this morning, so I'll probably have to shut down the GoPro at some point once the rain gets too heavy, but maybe we'll get lucky and catch fish on camera, so stay tuned. Beautiful day for fishing out here on Lake Palestine. Water temperatures 48 degrees. Air temperatures maybe 38 degrees. And the fish aren't really biting. Good times. That. Where do you want to go first? Yeah?